Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you yeast and wheat flour. It's going to get you rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and it's better than botox and fillers, and it's super effective in getting fuller skin and will get you an amazing results, my friends. It fills the wrinkles and the fine lines and will get you full face. It's super effective and will get you a magical results. And let's start with the remedy. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of yeast, that much. Then we need to add on it 2 teaspoons of wheat flour, we need to add double quantity of wheat flour. Mix the dry ingredients together. Like so. Now we need to add vanilla powder. Vanilla powder is super effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines. I'm going to add around a pinch of it, like so, my friends. It's a half teaspoon or a pinch. Mix again the dry ingredients. Now we need to add warm water, not hot water, just warm water, and mix well the ingredients. We need to end up with a cream paste, like so. As you can tell, we got a cream paste. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like so. As you can tell, it's super creamy and got combined very well together. Apply generous amount and leave it to dry out completely. Then rinse it with cold water, and my friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective in getting fuller skin, and it's better than botox and fillers. You will be amazed with the result. Keep using that mask every time you want to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines. You can apply it on any place in your skin and you will get an amazing result.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.